Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's video we're going to do the descaling, how to descale the coffee machine BES990. Okay, and before that we would like to shout out our customer, Mr. Matthew Sherman from Penrose. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's go guys. First of all, um, we will go to the settings here at the top, and then we will look for the scale. As you can see, the descale cycle. Oops. Oops. Yes, the scale cycle. Run the cycle, prevent scale buildup. You will need a long flat screwdriver along approximately 60 minutes, so 1 hour to complete the entire process. Okay, to start with, you have to go to the settings and then choose the scale cycle, and then it is heating. You have to wait for it to become ready, and then it will take you about 60 minutes. Then you need a flat screw, and then you have to start it. Let's start. You have to follow the instruction. Remove the scale axis cover, empty drip tray, reinsert and cover with a cloth. Okay, so what we have to do is just go here. So this is already removed. I already removed the cover, and you need a flat screwdriver to release this to release this one. Okay, then we have to continue. Okay, remove scale, empty drip tray. The drip tray is already empty, and this one, open the right bulb using the flat screwdriver, slowly rotating counterclockwise until fully open. So you just to read something, and you need a cloth, so we have a cloth here. Then we have a cloth ready here. Yes, and let's have, so counterclockwise to the left, so slowly slowly because there's a steam. Yes, you can hear the sound. And then for the cloth to avoid that steam. Yes, until it will release the pressure. Slowly. Okay, we're gonna wait for that until finished. Okay, you will know if it is finished if there's no more steam coming out. Okay, and then follow this. We will close clockwise. Okay, and then it's open. This is for the coffee boiler, so it will open slowly. And then so we'll make it sure this is closed. Okay, so now we open already the boiler. Okay, open the left bulb using flat screw. Then we did it, and then we'll start draining the system. Okay, just follow whatever it is. Okay, and then we will empty the dirt tray, and then we will put a sachet in 1 liter warm water here in this tank. And then after we put the solution in the tank, let's start in 20 minutes. So make it sure that you put a solution here. Then we will start 20 minutes. Start now. Now that is scheduled. Start. So we have to wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we will see. Okay, now it's done. Just press this one and then repeat all over again. Just release this slowly. Until it's fully open. And then for safety, we'll put it close again. We'll wait until finish. And then, if you think it's already empty, we will close again. Follow the instruction and close. Clockwise. Repeat the process. Just open the other side. Counterclockwise. Slowly until fully open. Okay. Then 30 seconds again. Then after this 30 seconds, we will continue this, and let's see. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we're gonna close it. By clockwise. All Okay, then RO, then empty the drip tray, reinsert cover cloth, empty the tank, rinse, fill max water and clean water, reinsert and lock the tank to continue. Okay, got it? We just put a clean water now and lock. Here's the lock. Then let's try to continue, and then starts descaling again for 20 minutes. You just repeat the instruction. After that, repeat again the process. This is the third time already. Okay, and then wait for this and repeat again. Then close the coffee water. Again. And finally, descale complete. Thank you. Ready. Then it will fill. You can see the tank is filling. Then you can return this cover. And that's it. Then we're gonna check how many descale we have already.